Thank you.
If you, sir, can come up here and make sure your microphone's on, and for the record, tell us who you are. We're happy to hear from you.
My name is Larry Potter. I'm the environmental court judge from Memphis, Shelby County. I have been doing that job for 33, going on 34 years now. This is a critical piece of legislation for us in Shelby County. I want to thank Senator Kyle, and I want to thank all of you for giving me the opportunity to speak to you. We have a critical problem in Shelby County with blight. We have people living in conditions that honestly is atrocious. And we have individuals that are what I would consider slum landlords. And they will put people in properties that they know is substandard. It is very difficult to deal with some of those individuals. We have individuals who are living in properties without utilities. I grew up on a farm, ladies and gentlemen, and we didn't have utilities. I know what that's like. But I don't want anyone living in the city and county that I live in to have to pay to live in such conditions. And for the last 30 years, and we've been dealing to try to eradicate these type of problems. And since 2007, by golly, it's gotten worse instead of better. And this Neighborhood Preservation Act that was passed, and you folks graciously gave us that law, we have gone to work with it. And what we have found is that there are some circumstances where people are renting property to individuals that they should not be doing that, and this will give us the avenue to deal with those individuals in an appropriate manner.
Did you, Judge, hear the question I posed to the sponsor about, I was trying to get an understanding for myself and the committee that we're talking about creating standing to bring a civil suit against occupied housing. Is that correct?
Yes, but oftentimes it's the city of Memphis or it's the government that will bring these cases.
It does not have to be.
It does not have to be a citizen. And in fact, I've only seen, I believe, one case where there has been a civil action brought, such as what you're talking about. It is usually the government that brings these cases.
Do we have any questions for the judge? There being none, thank you very much. We'll come back and.
It is my honor, and also, Mr. Chairman, I too am a former teacher of history and civics.
There you go.
All right, good for you. Mm-hmm. I trust you agreed with my analogy.
Oh, absolutely.
You want this bill passed.
Thank you, Chairman, and thanks, Judge Potter, for testifying today. Members, their families here in Memphis, they're just at the mercy of irresponsible property owners, and I would just ask for favorable consideration on this bill.
Are there any further comments or questions on the bill? There being none, I don't believe we have an amendment to call the roll.
Senator Briggs votes aye. Senator Dickerson votes aye. Senator Green votes aye. Senator Harper votes aye. Senator Jackson votes aye. Senator Johnson votes aye. Senator Veteran votes aye. Senator Norris votes aye. Chairman Yeager
Aye.
votes aye. Chairman, there are 9 ayes.
And the bill will pass to calendar.
Thank you very much.
I believe you have another bill?
Yes, thank you.
It's item 27, members. Senate Bill